I do think there's some early evidence suggesting that we may have peaked.
And Dr. Dennis Nash says to a great extent we were lucky the Omicron wave wasn't much worse.
I think the lesson of this wave is that we are unprepared for massive surges.
Despite issues with long testing lines, the availability of home test kits, plus hospital, school, and transit staffing issues, Governor Hochul and Mayor Adams have both continued to tout that they kept businesses and schools open during this wave.
Since day one, I'm protecting the public health and the health of the economy. And when people look back at this time, they will note that we achieved both those objectives and that we had no shutdowns.
Nash says we must do better during the next wave with surge plans for all aspects of society, especially if the next variant is more deadly.
We really were, blindsided. Our political leaders, at least, seem to have been blindsided and left without a good preparedness plan, a good pandemic preparedness plan that would have had, surge capacity for testing. It would have been planning for and trying to find ways to minimize absenteeism and large-scale outages of employees in critical sectors.
The Biden administration has been roundly criticized for not getting more testing ready and announced today it would ship 10 million rapid and lab tests to schools each month moving forward. Some city leaders, like Manhattan Borough President Mark Levine, say planning locally for future waves needs to begin immediately. He wants the city and state to do a better job of using technology to distribute and track the results of home test kits. Plus, he wants regulation and enforcement of better air ventilation and air quality in big offices and big apartment buildings, which could go a long way to preventing disease spread.
We're going to have to spend time now, not wait until we're amidst the next crisis, but investing in the infrastructure so this city can handle any airborne disease or another round of COVID.
One final point, and a sad point at that. Unfortunately, the ultimate lagging indicator of COVID deaths is still steadily rising at this point. There is some hope that that too will taper in the coming week or so.